welcome. This is Kathy from the Delafield Quilt Company, and this video is for block number 8 of the 2025 Summer Quilt Along. It is the last block of the series. Not the last video of the series, because I will come back in a few weeks and show you how to pull the whole quilt together. But for now, I want to just show you how to make block number 8. And if you're interested in sewing along, all of the quilt patterns are available on our website at delafieldquiltco.com. Just look at the top where it says Quilt Alongs and then select 2025 Quilt Along. And once you click on that, you'll see all the information for the sew along. You also see a video link and a pattern for each of the blocks. Alright, for block number 8, here are the fabric requirements. Now you will need a total of 12 of these blocks to finish the 2025 quilt. 8 of them in red and 4 of them in navy. And here's where the red blocks are. And here are where the navy blocks are. So I've already got my pieces cut, and let me show you how I put this together. So I'm just going to start with that little 9 patch in the middle. And so I'm going to grab my 4 navy pieces here and then my 5 background fabric pieces. And these are 1.5 inch squares. And I'm just going to lay them out in a simple little 9 patch. And once I have them laid out, I'm just going to sew them by rows. And then I'm going to sew the rows together. Now I'm just doing the daisy chain method where I sew the rows all in once and then I go back and sew the other pieces on. Okay, now that I got my little pieces sewn, I'm just going to cut them apart quick, and then I'm going to press the seams open. With these really small little pieces, I like to press the seams open just because the little piece lies a lot flatter. And then I'm just going to go ahead and sew those rows together, and I'm going to be really careful about lining up those seams. Okay, I've got my little 9 patch done here, and I'm just going to make sure that that 9 patch measures 3.5 inches squared. If your 9 patch is way off, make sure you check to make sure you're using a scant 1/4 inch. If you're using just a traditional 1/4 inch and not that scant 1/4 inch, then your pieces are going to end up being smaller than you need them to be. So you want to really make sure that you've got that scant 1/4 inch. And then once you have this measured to 3.5 inches square, then we can just finish putting the rest of the block together. So basically, I'm going to sew my center first. I'm going to take those 2 3.5 inch squares of the background fabric to make that middle row. I'm going to sew that together, and then I'm going to sew on piece A to the top and 1 to the bottom to finish my block number 8. Now when you're all done with this block, it should measure 9.5 inches square, and that's the unfinished size of the block. Alright, so my block number 8 is done, but I need to sew the rest of them for this quilt. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to get all my blocks done, and then in a few weeks, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how I assembled the quilt. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was the last block of the 2025 summer series. I hope that if you're sewing along that your blocks are turning out beautiful. And then check back to the channel in a few weeks because I'm going to then show you how I put the whole quilt together, and I'm going to just share how the final quilt turned out. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and have a wonderful day.